Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you're watching this video. Welcome back to my channel. So join me as I make these plantain chips. First of all, let me go on and wash it. I am done washing and peeling off the back. It's time to slice it. This is the part of the grater we'll be using. I'll have to pack this here. I've cut out enough. I have to start frying while I go on with cutting the remaining ones. Let me add in one and see if it has heated up. Okay. I think it's ready now. Yeah. I didn't add salt. Frying it on a medium heat. It is ready now. You can tell from the sound. Let's check. In line with a paper towel. So I will scoop this right into it. Go in again. Oh my god. So sweet. You can see that even though I wasn't putting it one inside the oil, when it was all fried, they all came out one. But so long as the plantain is unripened, you can pack them into the oil. Even if they're gone together, once they are done frying, you will see them all separated just as this one. Okay, so this one is okay. It is okay now. Add in the last batch, packing all together.